Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to bird watching the gray-suit dove in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a dream-like cinematic new event at the spring season. And at this event, you can bird watching the several new bird like this that looks unique, so unique like this. The bird wears a gray suit like this, and to bird watching or unlock the info card of this new bird, you can just go to the forest, especially at the deer tower, and it spawns almost all time, and you can bird watching this bird at the sunny, rainy, or rainbow almost all weather. So just go to this area at the deer tower. Over here, just walk around this area and then just bird watching, and when you found or when you meet the bird that looks like this and okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.